my name is Christian Austria and I'm the owner of TianTian's Kitchen, based in Shop in Okada, Manila, and a young living executive. And this is MAFBEX. And today we're gonna talk about cheesecakes. So for the base, we need 300 grams of crushed cream and 300 grams of melted butter. So we just combine it. Just mix until it's evenly distributed. You can also use Oreos or crushed biscuits if you like. So once it's incorporated, you can put it on your bowl. I place it on a cake cream. So once it's incorporated, just place it on your mold. Then just flatten it. This is a 7 diameter cake mold. So once it's flat, you can place it on the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now the crust is in the refrigerator, let's do our cheesecake mix. So you will need 540 grams of cream cheese. Place it in a mixer with a paddle attachment. And just beat on low until it's fully smooth. Just mix it on low so you won't have any air bubbles in it. Then just add your sugar. It's 306 grams white refined sugar. Just mix it on the wok again. You will see later that it will be fluffy and white once the mixture is ready to add the eggs. So while your sugar and cream cheese are in the mixer, just using a vanilla bean or a vanilla extract, you can add it to your eggs na ulit. So for vanilla bean, just slice it up in half, and then just scrape. You will see this kind of extract. So you can place it in your sugar or place it in alcohol if you want to make vanilla extract. The cream cheese and sugar is now incorporated, so let's add the eggs one by one. Just add the eggs one by one until you won't see any more eggs on the mixture. Or combine that. This is 5 eggs for this recipe. So scrape down. Then add your sour cream or yogurt. It's up to you. Others prefer sour cream to have a pancake, others prefer yogurt. Then I'm using lemon vitality from yogurt to add a bit of it. Just 1 drop. Then mix. It's done. Place it in your cake cream. So the New York cheesecake base is now done. So I'm gonna split it into 2 flavors. One is just New York cheesecake, then other one is Ningxia. Just place it in your mold. Till 3/4 full. And for the other one, I'm gonna use Ningxia red. So yeah, 2 cheesecakes in 1 base. So it's efficient. Just 1 pack of Ningxia red. Ningxia red is made from goji berries. So it's packed with antioxidants. And may pagka-berry siya na taste, kaya masarap siya. Place it in the oven for 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. So once your cheesecake is baked and cooled down and chilled, you can garnish it whatever you like. You can add fruits or whipped cream. So for the Ningxia cheesecake, I'll add whipped cream and mangoes. Just pipe it on the border. add mangoes. I prefer the fresh one. I'm just using a motor to curl it. Cheesecake. And for the New York style, you can just add whipped cream. Or you can do blueberry, raspberry, strawberry, or whatever fruit you want. And if you want to put mangoes again, let's do it. New York mango cheesecake. And there we have it, Asian cheesecake and New York cheesecake. I'm Austria of TianTian's Kitchen, and this is MAFBEX Foods.